All right, Sarah Daniels joins us now to talk real estate. I am sick and tired of real estate, but we're talking about it.
You know, your house is almost sold, so let's not talk
Let's
about
just talk
real
about
estate.
3 lovely homes in a White Rock area that are for sale.
Absolutely.
Are these ones that have sold?
These have sold.
I like these ones.
You like
I like happy endings.
Maybe we can have your house on next week.
I like happy endings.
Happy endings are good. First one we're going to look at is 15429 Goggs Avenue. It's in White Rock. It was listed at $669 and it sold for $660,000 in 16 days.
Wow, so that was fairly priced. That's
fairly priced.
Adorable.
Isn't that nice? Now that was built in 2003, 2,605 square feet. Not a big lot. It's in sort of central White Rock, but it's very close to everything. Has a 1-bedroom suite downstairs. You've got your granite and all that. A good builder, by the way, European builder. There's some builders out there that are better than others, obviously. And sold in about 16 days. Now, we had, I know on the news last week, a lot of talk about Asian buyers in the South Surrey, White Rock area. They, in particular, are not terribly interested in this type home. Overseas buyers, Asian overseas buyers, they're more interested in the larger lots and acreage and bigger homes, newer homes, and that's what we've got up next. This one is at 13214 24th Avenue in South Surrey. It was listed at $1.198 million, and it sold for excuse me, that's wrong. It sold for not 1750. Let me take that back. It sold for 1175.
Okay.
So yeah, I think that was probably a mistake on my part, but nonetheless, 3,610 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, big lot, nice big lot.
So was this bought by an overseas buyer?
Bought by an overseas buyer. Right. Now the thing here is, this was listed and by Yvonne Mayer. The one that we saw previously was listed by Janice Party, by the way. These are all very close to this one that we were just talking about on 24th. Very close to an excellent school catchment. You're right next door to.
But more importantly, these houses are really fairly priced. Like the realtors are nailing the prices on these houses because they're selling for pretty much.
If you're well priced, absolutely. And that's the thing is that I know a lot of people are thinking with the overseas buyers, oh, I can price my property at anything and I'm going to get it. That's not the case. That's not the case. Don't do it. It's a waste of time. Now, this one's interesting, 12603 Crescent Road in South Surrey. And this is sort of heading down to Crescent Beach when you drive down the slope to Crescent Beach. This was basically a building lot. It was listed by Kelly Wood at Hewitt McKinnon Realty. Listed at 1.390, sold for 1370. It's got a small cottage on it, but you can build up to 11,000 square foot home.
And it's a 1 acre lot.
A 1 acre lot with fantastic views. That's just one of the view shots that they have there. So again, this was bought by an overseas buyer. It was listed last year and didn't sell, but there has been a lot of interest in the South Surrey White Rock area in the last little while. In particular, like I said, it's these larger homes that you're going to see, like the one we saw earlier, on a large lot. It's also a beautiful view lot. So it is a very specific type of lot that they're looking for, and a specific type of home. So
and in a specific area.
In a specific area, absolutely. Right. Surrey White Rock,
okay.
Absolutely.
But the key from these 3 properties, I think that you've shown us is, number 1, it's not crazy multiple offers out there right now. You have to price fairly and accurately and know what your market is.
And that's exactly the key. So if you price right, you'll be fine.
All right, Sarah, thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, if you have any more questions for Sarah, check out our website, sarah-daniels.ca, or call her 604-531-4000. All right, as promised.